Welcome to Deliver 2024. This conference is always the most special time for us during the year because it's just rare to have hundreds of the top supply chain professionals nationwide coming to one place, one event, over 2 days, and just talk about innovation, talk on what it takes to really push the frontier on supply chains.
We launched Exchange Contract and we're launching Exchange Spot as a pilot with our customers today. And I think these are going to be structurally improving how our customers procure capacity in the market.
It was very exciting to talk about Insights AI, our first foray into intelligent logistics and ability to use generative AI to solve the toughest problems of logistics space.
Today I introduced the new Design Partner Program at Uber Freight. Partnership and collaboration is key with Uber Freight and our customers, really end-to-end, not just about technology, but about service. We're always in it together, and by working together, we're really going to have the best outcomes.
Can't wait for Deliver 2025 and for many years of Deliver to come.